All right. Who am I here with today?
Sanjay Singh, co-director of No Lunch, No Lunch.
All right. And what grade are you in?
10th grade.
All right. So today I'm going to be here and asking you a few questions. The first question I would like to ask is, how does your product use or challenge the conventions?
So our products didn't really challenge any of the established conventions of the mystery genre, but we used most of them with missing item, confused sleuths, and a duo, kind of like Sherlock Holmes and his partner, to look for that missing item.
All right. All right. And the next question I would like to ask is, how does it represent social groups or their social issues?
So one of the social groups we presented in the film was the social outcast, which I pretty much played a role as a loner who was sitting in a lunchroom alone, pretty much had no friends except for one other person. And so that social group was pretty well represented. I would say because it allowed us to show what like life was as someone who.
So you would say it shows like what it's like to be like a loner, or like in like high school or middle school, what it's like to be alone. All right, all right. Is that your response?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And the next question I would like to ask, right? How does your product engage with the audience?
So our product was more, I'd say it was more attuned towards the younger kind of audience, kids, middle schoolers, but mainly because it tackled simplistic problems that most of them can understand and grasp. And these weren't complex to film as well. It was more simple, like 1, 2, 3, go, etc., etc.
Okay, okay. So my next question, or the follow-up question, and how would it be distributed as like a real media? Like how would you publish or send it out?
Well, one of my dreams, once this movie gets big enough, I'm hoping that we could eventually make it into novels, books for school children, of course, because this isn't something like a 15-page, 152-page novel. But if we shorten it down and keep it to elementary school child's book, we could encourage and inspire many kids.
So you're saying you'd keep it down to like a smaller, like younger age group, right?
Yeah, we'll have pictures, simple sentences.
Would you who would you like work with? What like media giant or media conglomerate would you work with? Like if you're gonna do that, how would that work?
I'm hoping that one day, when this film gets big enough, that we can distribute it as books, like books for little children to read, understand, and have fun with. Have little drawings, simple sentences. And one day I'm hoping that Disney would take up the opportunity to take this film and push it to a higher level.
Or like a child-friendly kind of. Okay. Well, thank you for taking this time out of your day to come talk about this with us.
Thank you.
That'll be it.